Hi guys, and welcome to my video today. As part of my daily healthy habits, I usually have 1 to 2 smoothies a day made with vegetables and fruits, all of which are very tasty. Now this is very key to my being able to stay fit, healthy, slim, and energized throughout my days. So this here is my summer refresher, and if you are looking for something hydrating and nutrient dense, this is one of the smoothies that I recommend for you to have maybe for breakfast or for lunch or even for a hydrating, revitalizing snack. This is very quick and easy to prepare. It's made with ginger, celery, carrots, and apple, and even a bit of chia seeds and a sprinkle of cinnamon adds a lot of flavor and goes a long way for me. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so here are our ingredients. We have carrots, apples, ginger, celery, and chia seeds. Everything here is organic. So we're gonna start with the carrots. Chop off both ends and peel thoroughly. Now, the carrots contain vitamin A, antioxidants, and other nutrients, and they add a very lovely sweet taste to the smoothie. Chop it down to small pieces, and then we're going to add it to our blender. The blender is about a 600 milliliter bottle here. Now for the celery, chop it down to similar pieces as we did with the carrots. The celery is loaded with essential minerals and vitamins such as potassium and vitamin C and others. It's also rich in fiber, which can contribute to weight loss. Add it on top of the carrots. Go with the apples. This apple is washed. We're not going to peel it, but be sure to wash it. Apples are extremely rich in important antioxidants, flavonoids, and dietary fiber. Chop it down to small pieces and add it into the blender. There we go. Now we're moving on to the ginger. The ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, effects, and it can reduce muscle pain. It's great for skin tone and elasticity. Now, the piece you want to chop is not too big because you don't want to create a strong taste in the smoothie. Peel off all the skin because the skin can be quite bitter. This is about the size of a little teaspoon. Chop it down to small pieces and add it into the smoothie. Now, we're going to add in about a few teaspoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds have been traditionally used as energy boosters. They're rich in vitamin C, wonderful addition to our smoothie. Now I'm using water here. You can, however, use rice milk, almond milk, regular milk, or even fruit juice to add the flavors you like. I've just added it to the blender. Blend it till it's completely smooth. Now we're getting ready. Looks beautiful, rich color, absolutely wonderful looking. Now what I like to do is add cinnamon to the top and mix it in. I like lots of cinnamon. However, you can add the amount of cinnamon to taste as you prefer or none at all. Cinnamon has positive effects on the blood sugar digestion and your immunity. Guys, thank you very much for watching and enjoy your smoothie.